Deep in the heart of Australia, where mountains pierce the sky, lies a home unlike any other. Cliffhanger, a marvel of modern architecture, blends seamlessly into the dramatic landscape. Built on a challenging slope, Cliffhanger defies gravity. Its folded concrete shell rests on sturdy blockwork foundations, anchored firmly into the earth. This isn't just a house, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a daring architectural vision. Step inside and be mesmerized. The expansive eastern facade offers unobstructed views of the majestic tabletop mountain. Every window becomes a frame for a breathtaking landscape painting. But Cliffhanger isn't just about the views. It's a thoughtfully designed space that adapts to its inhabitants. This home caters to a growing family. The flexible floor plan allows for privacy and togetherness. Utility spaces are cleverly hidden behind sleek wood paneling, while the sleeping quarters offer a quiet retreat. As the family's needs evolve, Cliffhanger adapts, remaining a haven for all. Cliffhanger embodies a beautiful contrast. The exterior, with its masculine strength, commands attention. The interior, a sanctuary of warmth and softness, invites you to relax and unwind. It's a home that embraces both drama and intimacy. Cliffhanger is more than just a house. It's a connection to nature, a refuge where one can find peace and inspiration. It's a testament to the power of design to create a space that is both awe-inspiring and deeply personal. As the sun sets on the mountains, Cliffhanger becomes a silhouette against the horizon, a lasting symbol of human ambition and love for the natural world.